Welcome to KIDLOLAND, an award-winning educational program for kids.
Sink or float, when you put it in water, will you sink or float? When an object sinks, it gets submerged in the liquid. When an object floats, it sits on the surface of the liquid. Object is more likely to sink to the floor. A light object is more likely to float. A bowling ball, a stone, and a key. Will they float or will they sink? Put them in the water and see. They will sink. Yippee! A swimming tube and a paper boat. Will they sink or will they float?